Now we see the estimation of pharmacokinetic parameters, that is the estimation of Michaelis constant value and Vmax. This is the maximum velocity determination, and we will calculate it from the Michaelis-Menten equation. What is the Michaelis-Menten equation? V naught equals to, means initial velocity is equals to maximum velocity substrate concentration Km plus S. This is the Michaelis-Menten equation. So from this equation we calculate the Km and Vmax. How? By reciprocating the equation. Reciprocating the Michaelis-Menten equation. So when we reciprocate it, it will be 1 upon V naught equals to, this term will be inverted. So we obtain Km plus S upon Vmax into S. Okay. We can also written it as Km upon Vmax into S plus S upon Vmax into S. Here the S will be cancelled out and we obtain one upon V naught equals to Km upon Vmax into S plus 1 upon Vmax. So after reciprocating the Michaelis-Menten equation, we are obtaining this equation, and this will be equal to y equals to mx plus c. Because we want to calculate the parameters, so we will try to equate the equation from the straight line equation. This is the straight line equation. So from this equation we plot the curve, and the c will be equal to this, and m is the slope, x is the this is the m, and this will be the y. So we will plot the curve between y axis and x axis. So y will be equal to 1 upon V naught, and here the x, on x axis it will be the 1 upon S, substrate concentration, and this value will be equal to the m. This value will be equal to the m. So now we will obtain the straight line, because this equation is equal to the straight line equation, but here we also have the intercept. So the equation will cut, so the line will cut from the on the y-axis. It will not pass from the origin. When the c value, when the value of c is 0, then the equation will be like this. But this is where here the value of c is also mentioned, so this will not be the line in this case. We obtain the straight line like this, because this line is intersecting on the y-axis, and it will give the value of intercept, which is equal to 1 upon Vmax, this value. So from the y-axis, intercept will be equals to 1 upon Vmax. So we find out the value of intercept from the y-axis, put the value here, and we calculate the value of Vmax. So here we find out the one parameter. Next, from this line we will calculate the slope, and the formula of slope is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and here this is the x-axis, x1, x2. We assume the two points on y-axis, and from this value x1 and x2 we obtain from the x-axis, y1 and y2 we obtain from the y-axis, and this value will be put in this formula, and we calculate the value of slope. So we obtain here the slope, and the slope is equals to, this is the slope, and slope is equals to Km upon Vmax. So here you can see that we already obtained the value of Vmax. We will put here, and we obtained the value of slope from this formula, and then we can find out the value of Km. Okay, so yes, one more thing, that this curve is known as Lineweaver-Burk plot, and it is obtained from the reciprocating the Michaelis-Menten equation. That's why it is also known as double reciprocating plot. So it is also this is very important topic, and it is also asked in the examination, external examination, as double reciprocating plot or Lineweaver-Burk plot, or it is also can be asked as the calculate the estimation of parameters Km and Vmax from Michaelis-Menten equation. This is all about. Thank you so much.